Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily put a picture in green screen on CapCut. So if you want to place a static image, logo, or maybe photo into your green screen footage, this quick simple tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it. And now let's just get started by creating a new project in CapCut. You can just tap a new video and first add the image into the main track. So you need to put on the picture first before adding the green screen like this. Now for the green screen, I'm going to just choose one from the CapCut library and you need to put it on the overlay track. So click on the overlay button, add overlay, head into the CapCut library, and here you can choose the green screen video that you want. So let's say I'm going to go with this one right here. Click on the overlay, tap on add, and now I'm going to adjust the size first. Okay, you need to adjust the green screen until it fits into the screen like this, into the canvas. Now let's get rid of the green screen by clicking on the remove background. Pick the chroma key. Now drag the color picker into the green screen just like this. And now you can just adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Adjust or add some feather edge and also clean up the edge. Okay, so if you already satisfied with the result, you can click on a check icon. Don't forget to adjust also the durations of the picture so that it match with the green screen just like this. And you can see the result, preview it by playing it just like this. And as you guys can see, that will be the hands. I'm going to add some zoom in effects to the image. So I'm going to add a keyframe in here and let's make it or zoom it in the image just like this, so it will have that zoom in effect. So guys, that's pretty much all. That's how you can put a picture inside a green screen or do chroma key in CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.